In the next 4 years, I promised to myself I'm going to be a millionaire. I promised to myself within less than 2 years, I'm gonna be worth $1 million.
If we can get this retracement before then and just hold the trade.
The best traders, the best entrepreneurs are gonna be able to adapt. And it's just as simple as that. Adaptation is key if you wanna be successful.
That shit start pushing.
MetaTrader coming soon. I didn't ever think I was gonna use MetaTrader again, but as long as I stay with HankoTrade, I guess it's gonna be an option.
I'm about to be at this barber shop. And yeah, if I see the trade, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna keep the chat updated. So
No trades were taken for VIP. Income flows all surround trading. It's surrounded by me. I am my business. I make all the money, but all of it is surrounded by trading. That's the life that I built and that's the life that I love, bro. The life that you want is in your hands. For people that want real shit from a real trader, don't fucking trade every day. All you're gonna be doing is risking money, bro.
good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video. And today it is Wednesday and today it is 9:30 in the morning. I gotta get a haircut at 10. I thought I was getting a haircut yesterday at 10, but it's really today. So I have an hour until I gotta get a haircut. But I'm not that far right now. If you notice, I'm not at the crib. I'm on the top of a building. But we're about to go live with VIP because I'm not going to be able to be live with them the entire time. So I'm going to see if I can catch a trade within that first 30 minutes of the open. And it's a little bit earlier, so I'm going to have a little bit more time pre-open. So we're going to see. We're not going to force nothing. Donald Trump is president, so it may affect the market. It may make it go bullish. It may make it go bearish. We won't know till we find out, till we actually get experience. And that's what we're going to do. That's the whole point of VIP, to daily live trade and to get value from actual experience and experienced traders. But without all the yapping, I'm about to get in my bag, get all the shit out. Let's get to work. See what 9:30 could do though. I ain't expecting much right now. Probably gonna start driving away in like 45 because I gotta get my haircut, but let's see. If we can get this retracement before then and just hold the trade going into none, I can keep y'all updated. That shit start pushing. 30 start pushing. I needed to retrace first, you smut. Infinity in front of me can't drive, so I'm not trying to keep looking at that chart, but we retracing now. All right, right now I'm about to be at the barber shop. I just got off the VIP call. It's 10 o'clock right now. I'm about to pull up. So far, I had the trade idea that I'm still watching. It never hit the entry, and it didn't really do nothing. It didn't hit the target yet either. So if we do come to the entry, I still have the target that I can target for my trade. But if it ends up running that all-time high, I'm not going to be looking to take the trade. If it ends up running that high, I'm not going to be taking it because you got to have rules. And that's my rule right now. But I'm about to be at this barber shop. Steph about to get me right. About to get this cut all situated. And yeah, if I see the trade, I'm going to take it, and I'm going to keep the chat updated. So I'll see you inside. We in the shop. I'm about to get right. Oh, yeah. Even the lighting is good for... Yeah, the lighting is good in here overall. Bro, my hair is cooked. I had it in the do-rag. I ain't even... This shit is horrible. This shit is bad vibes.
Yeah, I've never seen a girl like this, though. I usually be like a little... But nice, never be like this.
First for everything. I was trading before I came in here, trying to see if I could catch some. I don't think I'm gonna catch it. It looks like it's just gonna keep going up. It may just be a 0 day. Nothing. But yeah, this is the before. Now look at this cut. Fresh boys. Come to Tampa, you gotta get right by stuff. Gotta get right by stuff. Feeling good? Now I gotta go wash the car, clean the car, get gas in the car. Back to work, and I gotta get the video uploaded, so yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Just got the haircut. As y'all can see, I'm looking fresh. But as I just said, I'm about to go get this car clean because I gotta get gas for the car. I gotta clean the car, and then I gotta go home and fully upload the video. So the upload schedule right now is a little weird, but nonetheless, it's gonna be a daily upload either in the morning or at night. I'm gonna just test back and forth to see which one you guys like more. So yeah, but nonetheless, the videos are going to be coming every day. Maybe a little different timing, but the video is going to be there nonetheless. So no trades were taken for VIP. It is what it is. The market has just been a little bit out of whack. It's very high and price has been moving. But listen, the president just got elected. I'm not going to expect much. Just going to keep risk small, manage risk, make sure I don't do dumb shit so I can show up tomorrow. But with that being said, I'm about to head to this car wash so we can get this shit cleaned up. Car washed. Car is officially washed. Now I gotta go get gas in the car, and then I'm gonna head back to the crib, and I gotta do the work that I've been needing to do. I haven't even showered yet, bro. I've literally been on the road since I dropped my girlfriend off at work this morning. Road running, but this is the life, man. This is the life. I love this shit. I love how sporadic I can be.
You know what I mean? That's the life that I built, and that's the life that I love, bro. The life that you want is in your hands. The life that you want is in your control. You can have the life that you want. You just got to do the daily things that the person that has that life would do. And I'm doing that. It's a little sporadic, like I said, but I'm doing exactly that, and I love it for it. But I'm about to get this gas, head to the crib, and we will get straight to work. I'm about to show you guys exactly what goes on after the trading day. And we are back in mi casa. So I'm about to feed the dogs real quick because they're probably starving. It's about 12 o'clock. I give them their first meal of the day, and then they'll eat again later on tonight. But I'm about to feed them. I'm gonna head in the shower, do all that, and then afterwards take them on a walk. And then when I'm done from the walk, come upstairs, probably either edit or go to the gym. The video is gonna be out tonight, so I don't necessarily have to rush to edit the content right now. But I do wanna get content for the Reels, and I do wanna get content for my YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. So that's something I definitely have to work on when it comes to the work for the day. So let's get a shower, let's feed the dogs, let's get it all started. I just got back from the walk. Now I'm about to get myself my first coffee for the day. It's a little bit late, not gonna hold you, but listen, you know what the saying goes. Better late than never, better late than never. Some people may be against me drinking coffee, but listen, out of all the things I do in this world, I don't think drinking coffee is one of the things that are going to ruin my life. Personally, I could be wrong, but I won't know until I find out. But just so y'all know, so far with me drinking coffee in this penthouse, I've made a lot of money, so maybe I should just keep drinking it. Like I said, the dogs are walked, the dogs are fed. Now it's time for me to get back to work and start that. But yeah, now it's time to either head to the gym or create some content. Honestly, might sit here a little bit and edit a little bit and then head to the gym afterwards. So I'm about to bring you into my little workstation for the day once I get this coffee made. All right, but right now I'm about to head on to here. So I was just talking to somebody at Hanko Trade. As you guys know, I've been with Hanko Trade for a while now. And since I'm one of their influencers, I get a lot of the insights for when they're gonna be getting new updates, when they're getting new stuff. They're gonna be getting MetaTrader on the desktop soon. So everybody that I've told already of that, it's gonna be coming very soon. Like I'm talking about this week, MetaTrader's coming, and they're gonna be having a Hanko Trade app, Hanko X app on the App Store. So they sent me a few things. They said create an account with blah, blah, blah. Please test conditions. Your feedback will be very valued. This is gonna be the mobile version. So say no more. I'm about to create an account with who they sent it with. I'm about to test it all out while I wait for this coffee to get made. I honestly don't think it's even making right now. So it's a little unfortunate, but nonetheless, a little patience ain't gonna kill nobody. But yeah, MetaTrader coming soon. I didn't ever think I was gonna use MetaTrader again, but as long as I stay with Hanko Trade, I guess it's gonna be an option soon. Am I gonna use MetaTrader or am I gonna use their Hanko X app? I'm not sure yet. I don't know how the app's gonna 100% be. That's why I'm trying to test this version out. And I don't know how MetaTrader is gonna be because I don't think I'm gonna have it on my phone. It's only gonna be on like the web browser version, like the desktop version on my computer. So, but nonetheless, we're gonna figure it out. There's value to be given. There's things to learn. Just like anybody else, I got to learn different things. Just in 2024, when 2024 started, I had to learn futures. I was trading already on Forex, technically trading indexes, trading US 30, NAS 100. Even though I still trade those things now, I had to switch from trading the Forex versions of them to the futures version, meaning I had to learn Tradabate. I had to learn different prop firms. I had to learn how to use TradingView to actually take trades. It's all about adapting, and it was still a little bit of a struggle for me, and I was already 3 years into my trading. So it's just one of those things. The best traders, the best entrepreneurs are going to be able to adapt. And it's just as simple as that. Adaptation is key if you want to be successful. New to this as you guys, but the trading platform, I could choose MetaTrader 4. I could choose whether I want a standard or a raw account. I'll just put a raw account. Leverage, I usually use 12500 on my actual live accounts, and then currency. So yeah, I guess I'm creating my live account now, and then I'm going to be able to test it out through their actual platform. So yeah, getting my account created and everything. Okay, so the account is created. This is how I deposit, withdraw, to then when I go to their thing, their terminal, I download their terminal. Okay, I got a lot more work to do into this, so I got to download the MetaTrader terminal. We about to see how this is. So I came to the conclusion that this specific terminal of MetaTrader 4 is only going to be for PC, so I can't even use this MetaTrader 4. Okay, so MetaTrader is not an option for me personally, but anybody on PC, which I know a lot of people use, you hear that in the background, that's my coffee being finished. But for the people that don't use Mac, you'll still be able to use this. I'm gonna probably just have to download this on another computer, download this on my friend's or my cousin's computer, and then test that out on there. So as of right now, it's not looking like I'll personally be using MetaTrader, but then the Hanko Trade app, the Hanko X app is gonna be out, so I won't necessarily need to use this. Hey, it'll make it easier for me. I won't have to switch platforms. I'll just be able to download the app for it. But other than that, yeah, that was the news for Hanko, for the people that are looking for the app to come soon, it's coming this week. And for the people looking for MetaTrader, also coming soon. And just like that, oh, I put too much water. Okay, we have a lot of coffee today. A lot of coffee. But my coffee is not coffee until I got my creamer in that joint. That French vanilla creamer, it's a blessing. It is a blessing, and we can't forget our sugar. I forget who it was who said I was gonna die from sugar. If I die from sugar, bro, you can have everything from me. I'll let you have it all. Maybe I do put a lot more sugar than I should. But listen, I know somebody that puts butter in their coffee, and they're trying to convince me that it's energy, why they're putting it in there. I might just, hey, it's an idea. Now it's time, got my coffee made, about to turn these lights off so the dogs can chill over there. And I'm about to get into my workstation. This is it, you see what I'm wearing. This is what I wear to work. True Religion slides, shorts, and a black tee. This is just the daily fit. This is the work fit. Got to be comfortable. But like I said, about to get some content created. If we look at what time it is, it's only 2 o'clock. I think my girlfriend gets off around 4. So I'm probably going to get some content edited and created for the next hour. And then from there, I got to head to the gym. So yeah, let's get to work. All right, right now, I just got to the gym. Just got everything all set up. And honestly, you guys could probably hear the construction going on. Yeah, they're having fun with the construction. But nonetheless, I'm about to get this workout. Ain't nobody in the gym besides me. So you know what that means. We about to have a great workout. I don't usually have enough room to be able to talk and speak. And the one day that I actually have the room to talk and speak, I got to deal with this loudness. But nonetheless, let's get this workout. How you do one thing, how you do everything. Let's get physical. First day, first time getting physical today. I haven't done no push-ups and no nothing, so we're going to go hard in this workout. Right now I'm on the balcony, and I'm just gonna be taking this time I just wanna talk to you guys, because as you guys know, we have a new president. We have Donald Trump as president overall. What is that gonna do for us? I'm not gonna lie, I'm watching someone dump stuff on their balcony. Not over the balcony, on the balcony. All right, whatever. But like I said, I'm not gonna let the distractions take a hold of me. But the main reason I'm out here on the balcony is because I want to talk to you guys about how Donald Trump is gonna make me a millionaire. In the next 4 years, I promise to myself I'm going to be a millionaire. I promise to myself within less than 2 years, I'm gonna be worth $1 million. Either have it cash, or is gonna be in my net worth, meaning everything that I own, including assets, including all of my incomes, will be $1 million. Now, that's going to be way easier than getting to $1 million cash liquid in my bank account. But regardless, it's still a millionaire, 7 figures. You get what I'm saying? And how am I going to get that? As you guys know, for the people that watch me on a daily basis, my main income flows all surround trading. It's surrounded by me. I am my business. I make all the money, but all of it is surrounded by trading. Trading was my main income. Trading is the reason I'm in this apartment. Trading is the reason I'm able to record these videos and you guys actually have something of value, where you guys actually see that I have something of value that you want. That's trading. Without trading, the videos wouldn't be a thing. Without trading, you guys wouldn't really give a fuck who I was. You get what I'm saying? Trading is the reason my content is where it is. I've made multiple YouTube channels before, multiple videos before. Trading is the one channel that I've kept the consistency and actually seen results, both financially and in terms of content. So content, trading, those are 2 big ones. VIP, which is literally just my live trading. If I didn't live trade, if I didn't trade on a daily basis in front of people, giving value that had successful trades, nobody would continue to stay in VIP. It's one thing for me to be able to get sales for VIP, but to have hundreds of people recurring every single month, there has to be value in that. How often do you pay for bills that you don't need? How often do you pay for Netflix, YouTube Premium that you don't use? You're paying for stuff that you use and that you find value in. And that's how I make money from VIP. VIP, content, which is the YouTube, AKA Instagram, and trading. Those are my 3 main incomes. I have other incomes such as sponsorships, such as partnerships with people, such as if I do any brand deals with any specific products, but those are kind of here and there. My three main incomes where everything is my money, my income, and is actually like a big bulk of it. Like I would say my trading profits probably take up, depending on the month, I say 60 to 50% of how much I make. And then from there, YouTube, I make usually $2,500 to $3,000 a month off the ads. And then from VIP, maybe make about a couple thousand from that. But for the most part, not every month is going to be the same. But without all the yapping, how is Donald Trump going to make me a millionaire? At the end of the day, I started trading in 2020. I started trading right when Donald Trump stopped becoming president, right around the time that Joe Biden was elected president in 2020. Markets were moving crazy when Donald Trump was elected. Now, even though I wasn't able to be there for the full time of his term, when I first started trading, Trump was president. When I first started trading, there was hella volume. As soon as Trump got elected yesterday, the volume went crazy. Anyone that trades Tesla, Tesla went crazy. US 30, NASDAQ 100, S&P 500, all-time highs, going crazy. At the end of the day, Donald Trump specifically isn't going to make me a millionaire. But him as a businessman, I know he is going to bring volume to the market. I know he is going to bring money to the market. And by market, I mean the economy. And by market, I mean literally everything from goods, services, all the above. He is a businessman, so he's going to make our life better for business owners, for people that are in business. Not necessarily people that are working the average job. But listen, that's not me. I can't worry about something that's not going to benefit me. Worry about what's only going to be affecting you. So in that case, that's why Donald Trump's going to make me a millionaire, bro. He's going to add the volume that I need to keep doing what I'm already doing. Regardless if Donald Trump was going to be president or not, I still would have been a millionaire in 2 to 4 years, regardless if he's president or not. But now that he's going to be president, the likelihood of us having the volume that is necessary for me to become a millionaire is going to be there. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to be able to control if I become a millionaire. Not the market, not Trump, me. So as long as I know that I have everything in my control, as long as I have the plan, as long as I know what I'm waking up for every single day and following, it's only a matter of time. I'm up at 7 a.m. right now recording a video before a tropical storm. Ready, showered up. I was about to go to the gym, but I was about to go edit some of the video downstairs at the lounge, but it didn't open until 9 a.m. So came back up here to record this video with the view and everything. But it's just one of those days. Today was a good day. I didn't take no trades. It was just, you don't need to take a trade every day. I say that all the time, but it's true. For people that want real shit from a real trader, don't fucking trade every day. All you're going to be doing is risking money. Regardless if you risk money, regardless if you want to lose today, you still had to risk money to be in that position. You're risking emotions and you're risking financial capital. You don't need to trade every day. The market's not going to go anywhere. A good week for me, if I can have 2 to 3 winning trades in a week, that's more than enough, especially with no L's. Easy work. But I don't want to talk your heads off too much. This was a very informative vlog. It was a very eventful vlog. But now I got to get to editing it. Now I got to get for the rest of my day started. I got VIP later on today. So yeah, this is going to be an early video. If you like the early times, like I said, let me know in the description. I'm testing out the post times from nighttime to morning. I'm just doing what I do. Just trying to get the value. The same things I practice, the same things I preach, I practice. Getting data and figuring out ways to improve 1% a day. But if you want to learn how to trade, my trading systems, my trading concepts, the free trading course, the free trading webinars, everything you need to trade, to make money trading, is in the description. Everything you need to know how to make money from content like I do also from YouTube and Instagram, in the description. If you want to join VIP to get access to the live trading, to get access to over 50 hours of money, mindset, and trading game, and we're active every single day, to be part of that session in about 2 hours, join VIP. Stay safe, stay productive. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video.